Starting in the late 1990s to 2008, a company named CERN built the world's largest scientific experiment in Switzerland and France. It employs 1,000 physicists and 4,000 engineers. The Super Collider, or Large Hadron Collider, or LHC for short, is the world's largest scientific experiment, and today I'm going to talk about what it is, how it works, and its implications. First off, how it works. Most importantly, it is a particle accelerator. Particle accelerator speeds up atoms to as fast as they can, and then in some cases they collide. It has the world's largest computing web with over 20 different countries and 130 different locations around the world. The main facility at the massive complex has over 30 petabytes of RAM. Secondly, let's talk about how it works. First, you take a hydrogen atom. You strip off its electron and send it through an electromagnetic field created by electromagnets. After a series of accelerators in which the atoms are cut off from other atoms and then go around in circles and synchronized in 7-kilometer rings, they are going 99.9% the speed of light. In fact, by the time they reach the main ring, the energy created by the electromagnetic field cannot be translated to speed, so they just get heavier. By the time the atom gets to the main ring, which is 27 kilometers in diameter and is in 2 different countries, the atom weighs 40 times what it did at rest. As it enters the main ring, the atoms are pumped into it timed so that they go halfway around the ring with the other one on the other side. They go around the 27-kilometer ring 11,000 times per second, and finally a guiding magnet steers them onto a collision course in one of 4 locations around the ring. When they collide, big machines analyze the data and put them into graphs and charts, where the computing net analyzes the data. Now, let's talk about its implications. This big machine doesn't just, it's not just for fun. When the atoms collide, they split off and decay, and subatomic particles are shown, which you cannot normally see. This will lead us into a new field of science of subatomic particles and superstrings, which could do everything from new energy to space travel or even medicine. In conclusion, we've talked about what it is, how it works, and its implications. Now, I hope that with this knowledge of this wonderful, massive complex, that you will find out some secrets of the world before anybody else. The end.